Hello, welcome to Project 801 DVD Authoring. Today I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to complete this project. So firstly, I want to inform you on the requirements of this project. For this project, you must have two non-linear video projects you already made previously in the 700s, and you must have at least one menu with a button that is linked to a video to play it. There must also be music on your menu as well, and you must have a label on your DVD, and you must make at least one copy of your DVD as well, but we'll talk more about that when we get to it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you're on the generic student account, not your personal account. So go on ahead and log out of your personal and log on to the generic account. The username is 3801 adult student and the password is learning 2014. And make sure the L is capital. Also make sure that whatever video or images you want to make your DVD with is on the C drive, not the S drive. So I'll show you how to put the files in there. So you're going to want to open the File Explorer and go to the C drive, then a TV Student C, and then find whatever folder number you are and take whatever video or images you want to use for your DVD and put them in that folder. So now that I've done that, let's begin. So what you're going to want to do next is open the program called Avid DVD by Sonic. So now that we're in the program, I'll show you around to get you familiar with the program itself. So first we have your menu section. That's where you're going to place your background for your menu. Then we have the title section. That's where you're going to put the videos themselves. Then you have your timeline down here where you can edit everything if you wish. And you have your palette window. This is where you're going to import most of your media, and your attributes window where you can add effects to your media. So now that we have all that out of the way, let's begin. So let's start by importing a menu in videos. So what we'll do first is add a menu. So go ahead and go to the palette menu on the right and select the submenu that says images, and then click on the folder with the green arrow to select an image. Then you're going to go to your C drive and then your folder number and pick whatever image you want to use, and it'll pop up in your images tab. Then just drag and drop it into the menu section on the left. And now you have a menu to work with. Now let's add some videos. So it's the same process. Go to palette, but this time select media and the folder with the green arrow and go to your same folder and grab whatever videos you want to use and drag them into the title section. Now that we have all of that, we can create the menu. So now we can just drag the video onto the menu and size it however you wish. You can also put a border around it if you wish, as well by going to the panel on the right and click on frames and select one. Now we need to add text under the movie. So in the preview menu, go to the top and select text and drag it wherever you want it, and type and customize it however you wish. Now we must link the text to the movie. So, in the Attributes menu, go to General and then Link To and select whatever you want to link it to, and then scroll down to the bottom of that menu and select Link End Action and return the menu. So it goes back to the menu when the video is done playing. So now that we have all of that out of the way, we can simulate what it's going to look like. So go to the very top of the program menu and click Simulate, and then Simulate from first play, and now you should see what your DVD will look like.
They've been called the greatest generation. They fought in a world war and returned home asking for nothing in return. Today, they finally have something of their own.
Then, once you're done and everything looks good, and how you want it, we can burn the DVD. So now go ask your instructor for a blank DVD and then insert it into the disk drive. Once you've done that, go to the top of the program menu and select Burn, and then Burn Disk. Now you just wait for it to be finished. Once it's done, you must make a copy. The copier is in the room next to the instructor's desk. It's a tower with numerous DVD drives. Place your burnt DVD in the top tray. And grab another DVD off the shelf and place it into the drive below. And select the copy option at the top and hit the green button. Now you just wait till it's finished. Once it's done, we must put a label on it. Now we must log on to the computer with the general student account next to where the copier is and then open the program SureThing DVD Labeler. Once you open the program, there might be a project already open. If there is, go ahead and close it and select New Project up at the top left. Then once the menu pops up, select 120mm disc. Then select the background option and go to Standard Designs folder and select whatever background you want to use. Then click on the text menu on the left and put whatever text you want to add to it. Once you're done customizing your DVD, go to the Action section and select Print Design. All of the settings should be fine for it. Then just grab whatever DVD you want and put a label on it, and place it into the printer to the left and place it on the black tray and close the lid. and hit print on the computer. Now all you have to do is just wait for it to print, and then you have completed the 802 project. Now just let your instructor watch the DVD and you should be all set.